Do you want to hit 1,000 subscribers on YouTube but you only have a phone? Good news, you don't need a camera, laptop, or even expensive setup. In this video, I will show you the exact step-by-step process to grow from 0 to 1,000 subscribers using only your phone. Make sure you stay to the end because I will also share the biggest mistake beginners make that slows down their growth. Let's begin. Step number one, pick your niche. Don't just post random content. Ask yourself, what can I talk about for like 20 to 50 videos without getting bored? Examples: you can cook, beauty, tech, tutorial, comedies, motivation. Use SEO tip. Type your niche into YouTube search. Look at the auto suggestions. Those are your content ideas. Step number 2, you need to set up your channel. Make a professional profile picture. Use Canva on your phone to create a banner that clearly says what your channel is all about. Write a short descriptions with keywords. Example is, this channel shares YouTube tips for beginners, helping you grow fast using only your phone. You can add links. You can add your social link: Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Add your links to your channel. Then number 3 is create clickable thumbnails. Your thumbnails are the first impressions. You need to use 3 colors maxi, like red, black, white. That works great. Then you need to use bold text, like 3 to 4 words only. You use Canva to design, or Pixar to design your thumbnails. Use Canva or Pixar on your phone to design. And then when you finish clicking, you ask yourself, will I click this if I saw it among 10 videos? Ask yourself, after creating your thumbnails, if you are the one, will you click this thumbnail when you see it in other people's setup? Alright, step number 4 is write SEO titles and descriptions. Don't just write my first video. Use phrases people search. How to get more views on YouTube 2025. That is example. Another one, YouTube tips for beginners using phone. Add keywords in the description. Explain what your video teaches. Add 5 to 10 tags related to your video. Here is step number 5. Upload consistently. At least 2 long videos plus 3 short weekly if possible. YouTube rewards consistency. Think of it like feeding the algorithm regularly. Step number 6. Use YouTube Shorts. Shorts are the fastest way to grow in 2025. Keep them 30 to 40 seconds maximum. Give quick tips and push viewers to your long videos. Example: do you want to know the full method? Link in description. That is how you will post your shorts. Step number 7, engage with your audience. Reply to every single comment, even with emojis. Ask questions in your video and pin comments. Community growth equals to people subscribe when they feel noticed. Step number 8, promote outside YouTube. Share your videos on Facebook groups, WhatsApp, or TikTok, but don't just drop links. Write engaging captions first. Pull people in by making them curious. Step number 9, avoid big mistakes. Don't delete videos if they don't get views. They can grow later. Don't copy others blindly. Don't quit after 3 uploads. It usually takes 50 to 100 videos to find your style. So I hope I made sense. So there you have it, the full step-by-step guide to getting 1,000 subscribers on YouTube with just your phone. Remember, your thumbnails and titles and consistency are your best friend. If you find this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more YouTube tips. Check out my next video right here. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. This is YouTube Tips by Blessing. Thank you for watching.